Okay, so I don't know what time it is. It's 9:43 on June 26th. 9:43 at night on June 26th. I did add blankets over my window there and there, thanks to a friend's suggestion. Um, yeah, got some apple cinnamon tea that I just made. Got my mom chilling on the Pepsi can over there. And, well, I'm just kind of in a mood to, I don't know, talk a little bit. Well, not really talk, I guess. Just kind of get myself out of like the birthday drop and losing a friend, well, a new friend who I met one time last year and then started talking to for a couple weeks this year. Yeah. Anyway, not to mention, I don't know, just kind of unemployment. I didn't get my check this week, so not sure what's up with that. Hopefully I hear back from them. I emailed them because I couldn't reach them on the phone and I can't reach them on the website to do a live chat with. So yeah, so we will see if I hear back from them. I was thinking of unboxing at least the Squeezamals guys because there's 3 of them and I want something soft and squishy to play with. Well, not really play with, but have decorate my room because as you see I have all my little squishies that we unboxed recently over there on the windowsill, and we have a fly that I can't kill. Anyway, I need to get a fan for when the AC is not on because I am burning up when it's not on. Yeah. Anyway, I'm waiting to hear back, hopefully anytime now, from my boss so I know when I can go back to housekeeping because I would like to go back to housekeeping. And it gives me something to do. That's another thing. Like, not having work to do is just torture. Like, I want to work. I don't know. I thought about sitting down and like writing in my journal about everything. Mind you, I journal online, but nonetheless, writing in my journal about it, all my thoughts and stuff, with what I'm feeling and stuff. Yeah, I don't know. Just kind of here, not really positive like I like to be. I don't know. I want my own place. Like, it's great having a room to rent, but I want my own place. Yeah, I don't know. I want to drive. Like, I got my learner's permit last year, so I want to drive my own car. Like, I want to buy a car and have it be mine. So that's something I need to work on. Getting my car and getting my own place. And getting back to work, whichever, whenever I hear back from my boss, or if I can, I guess, look for another job. Not that I want to, but, yeah. I don't know. I have an urge to run away, like, from where I am, but I don't know where I would go. Because I don't know. I'm happy here, but I'm not happy here right now. I don't know. Just kind of here. I don't know. Not gonna cry, but I feel like I am. Anyway, so let's open the Squeezamals things here. I got 3 of them. So let's open them and see what we get. I'm gonna sit you over here. There you go. And I'm gonna open our 3 little friends. You can kind of see them there. Okay, so they are taped, and I don't have a pair of scissors or anything here that I can probably open them with. Well, I probably do, but I have to reach over you guys. So we're just gonna see if we can get it. I don't know, maybe not. This might take a while. Because they like to have them in there. Squeezable, plushy, animal, squishy things. They're grape scented. It doesn't say a series though. Just says collect them all, grape scented, squeeze me. Oh wow. We shall see what they are. So let's see who we get. Ooh, who did we get? Looks like a white guy, maybe a unicorn. Ooh, we did the unicorn. You can't see him there. Oh no, yeah, he's a unicorn cat, it looks like. That's my guess. Maybe here, chill here. We got a unicorn cat. There is a little what you call it in here to tell who's who. Okay, unicorn cat. His name is Clover Unicorn. Aw. You can see right there. Maybe. He's the little white guy there. His name is Clover Unicorn. And then these are the other ones we can get. So basically that's what we can get, but he's Clover Unicorn. Woo! Okay. I'm gonna have him chill here. I don't have my candle going though, because right now a candle with fire would be triggering for me. With my self-injury, I would want to burn. I don't know. Play with candle wax. That's actually relaxing, playing with candle wax. But yeah, I self-injure, which is why you see marks on my arm. So that's fun. I can't get the little tape off to free our second friend. Oh, he is new. Clover Unicorn. Whatever. Ooh, I think he's new too. Look, there's a little peeking eyeball. See who we get. That is so soft too. Oh, what are you? A monkey? I don't know. Oh, series 2. What series are you? He does not have a little tag, so I can't tell what series he is. But he's series 2. Don't know what he is. You may see the monkey. No. Sammy Sloth. You're Sammy Sloth. It's Slammy. It's Slammy. Sammy Sloth. shows it's blue in here, but we got pink. But they do come in different colors, so we have Sammy Sloth there to go with our Clover Catacorn. And our third and final friend. Let's see if we can free our third and final friend. And make it to where... Oh, I gotta say, my birthday the other day. Facebook has it to where you can set up a charity you want to donate to. Well, every year I always have it for my age I'm turning. So this year was 35. I always choose the same charity, which is To Write Love on Her Arms. It's mental health related for teens, young adults, etc. So anyway, we have a friend. He looks fluffy. Looks very fluffy. Who are you? Oh, you're a little fluff ball friend. He's a little, oh, he's so soft. So soft. I like him better than the other fluff ball friend. He's so soft. What's your name? What is your name? Are you even on here? Series are you from? Series 2. Series are you from? Hey, wait a minute here. Okay, so the Clover Catacorn is from Series 1. Okay, so you're Series 1, and you two are Series 2. So hold on, let me go back to one of their boxes. Yeah, they're Series 2, according to this. So, I'm sorry, you're Stella Sloth. This is Stella Sloth. And the little fuzzball here is Finn Furball. Like Adventures Time? Adventure Time. Finn, that's what it reminds me of. Finn! Anyway, so for Series 2, these are the ones we can get. And you can see the fuzzball one and the sloth one. Anyway, no, actually they're both over there. Oh wait, what fuzzball are you? You're not Finn. Or are you Finn? Oh. Hold on a minute. Are you from a different series? Okay, hold on. No, you came from that one. So wait a minute here. So which one are you? Are you Finn the Furball or Floor Furball? I don't know who you are. You're either Finn the Furball or Floor the Furball. I can't tell because neither pattern for your furballness is the same as the pictures here. I don't know. I'm gonna call you Furball though. Definitely fits your name. Okay, so we have Furball, Sloth, and Catacorn. But yeah, so my charity, I choose To Write Love on Her Arms every year, and I always choose the age I'm turning. So this year I turned 35, so I donated $5 from myself when I first started it at the beginning of June. And then my stepmom's mom donated another $5, which made it $10. And then on my birthday, there was only $25 left to donate. And my best friend from second grade, Cody, she donated $25. So I ended up making my $35 goal this year, thanks to myself, my stepmom, Pam, my stepmom's mom, Pam, sorry, and my best friend since 2nd grade, Cody. So, yay! But it's still going until I believe July 1st is when I have it cut off. Um, so I can get more added on if somebody wants to donate, which is awesome. Because, like, I like getting more if I can. So we shall see. I will let you guys know. But these little guys, oops, excuse me, are gonna go over there where my other friends are with the squishies and the little other squishies like them. I don't know. I kind of like him. He's cute. Caticorn. It makes me miss my cat. I miss my cat, Tally. You can see her in videos on here. She's with my ex-boyfriend, Gareth, which you can see in videos on here as well. Yeah. Hopefully when I get my own place, I can get her back. I don't know, but right now I'm just trying to take it one day at a time and stay positive, which is why I wanted to unbox these little guys and try and cheer myself up. I don't know. Anyway, I might do some online money making on my online money making site because I need some extra money. It's always nice to get extra money on them, even though I work for it. Yeah, might wash clothes tomorrow because I got some dirty clothes from this week. I don't know. Then that way, yeah, I don't know. I might wash clothes Saturday, tomorrow, or Sunday at the latest. That way, next week, if I get to see my friend, I can give him back a washcloth and a hand towel that he let me borrow when I moved in here to rent this room. Because I bought a towel and a washcloth at Walmart the other night. I went ahead and bought a rug for the bathroom here because there wasn't one for a little while that got thrown out, but it now has one. I don't know. So, yeah. Can't believe June is almost over. My sister's birthday, my youngest sister Tara's birthday, is coming up on July 14th, as well as my cousin Jenny's birthday, July 14th. Wonder what they have planned. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know what else to talk about. Well, recording this has kind of helped. So thank you for letting me chit chat and unbox little Squeezamals friends. I guess I can pose them on the table here and give you one last look at them. Oh, we'll pose them over here. What the heck? Oh, well, they look cuter on the table, I guess. Come here, little friend. Look, it's our 3 little friends. Aren't they so cute? I think they are. Let's get a picture of them. Boop. Anyway, yeah. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna call it a night. Don't know what time it is. Probably 10 now. Let's see. It is. It's 10:02. So I've been talking to you guys for like 17 minutes. Well, it shows 19 minutes, but anyway, I'm gonna go. Good night. Thank you for letting me chit chat and unbox the Squeezamals squishy people that and then yeah, hope you guys have a good night, good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is where you are. And if you enjoyed this and you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe if you enjoyed it and give this a like and comment and just, I don't know, let me know how you're doing. Let me know which of the 3 friends we unboxed today is your favorite. Is it the catacorn, the furball, or the sloth? I have to go with the catacorn. Although the furball's not far behind. And then the sloth, I think. Anyway, have a good night. I'm calling it a night. Bye. Mwah.